a pharmacy. One zeal no.
Yes.
Both two teams no.
Yes.
Players need na park. One man determination. They were no me determine. Any the one who bubble on say, "Come back, say team ni lose. Crown team come in training." I'm farmer never born, and I will enjoy the game because we see so move bubble. Obi anu a relax say, "Oba be no, you say oba ye near be. I mean a man on necessary card. No be one so I'm a bubble and I'm on kwa. You put him work." And when a man who needs your pass, I'm matching him up. A match a bit my match of the tournament. All those here moon retrieve, but some match in a way, you see it say, now, also be added an argument a year, Juma. And meeting a man where yes, good game, meeting mean for two abhorrence, maybe agree. Not for two abhorrence now, number 40, so almost coach no, nim dear, what I've come, no, a shot, a sing, Morocco. What is Zambia? When the Zambia team nuclear and what is Zambia? The tournament itself, no, we win 17, a United, or promoting the day, Abba, until the experience wise, no, when you were anywhere, they are saying, I don't want to beat him.
Okay. I know of that's even out in summary for matches from Thursday. Everybody now also a so clearly he's telling us the big countries the coaches of here Leonard or what you say this time indeed they want to really go forward and for that matter Algeria and that in this tournament. So any I don't pay any on with me and the messages no and so any abre or WhatsApp that is screen and so now the tennis and check any ebechim and so Egypt is smiling now free ya din komakaka and the coaches kaka and so about lines now free the gym and the Amagana for Esther Abankwa is in smile. What Egypt says here in Tibere, say it me to talk, Manana, there is a no, a bit to me about our man's said here, is he now, but and the matches Cacao, the matches now say it is here, and the Saturday, Mauritania. And the first game and airball and 2:30 and a side a bit across so and and so at the Cameroon, the indomitable Lions of Cameroon, and the Black Stars of Ghana, and they beat me and it happens. So I give your own maybe a kind of the last game, Benin and the Guinea-Bissau. So beat me and it happens over. Yeah, your assessment, the Black Stars of Ghana first game. Now we're second. No, the first game. So we won't go. And the man cracker. And there's a game. You might expect a pen and a Pia here, 1 year, and then I'll wait to say, yo, I am in trouble. Say, Omer say, you be at them, if you say, and on the young tree. Because on the social media platforms, says skin is all sharp. At the media, cost you need to be at them. Nata dear Kakraka, and now one dear, no, skin, I don't think say proper. Say, we did you panatum, a human warrior, no can man was it. Or can be a tabia Kakrakana, 1 year, 1 year it was very bad. Yes, sir, Ghana for. Yes, sir, Ghana for. The minimum coaching job, you say, would you mamma and Nessa, yet now you said you are come apart. Unity. But I see up here in Nigeria, and a dear man. Say, we are both fully be crab a bottle, can you see? You're near to be, influence kind issues. Now, no real issues. I could see up here 1 trifle. Now, soon said that Tias and Papa. So, Becca, and yet, if you know, yeah, I dear, or young one first game, what could you be that? Who can say Ghana new US World Cup or can say? No one say US for the brain, but the plan is starting on in for nothing. And what been the Sarkozy? Only said, what been the Sarkozy? Yes, starting line up in the fire. The whole nation, I'm sure there's something in Ghana here. Excuse me, if you don't know, let me tell you this morning. There's something in Ghana here, say, yeah, Ghana for it me a selection. That's one first selection now, man, say, who could not say more. I know the more catching and Natalia Kakrakana. But so far, Ghana for me almost selection, but he is closer to the team. all the painting, every player, output on the field of play. On 2 minutes of this play.
Sometimes, you can hear the Sir Obo first match. No beer Kasa say. I didn't want my Kodia someone. Come no ball. One said you play a beer, you must some more jail, Obia must some more jail, Obia will be a Kodia someone. That means the whole nation, Obia cry for Kodia someone. Do you know what? Story, yeah, you know. Players not afraid in Nana, you put in Papa Kodia someone.
You go for you place me your team or Becca said that. I will sign and said, yeah, Becca said, yeah, or form and as a team no skimming.
Maybe I will can I mean message at the American. You put team Papa, hey, Kojasamo. Your team over so far, let's go man to see anything to I know interest and also senior team Papa. Hey, teams, Barcelona and Walker. So we go Barcelona, high profile, people Manchester. And look at high profile Man City. Also, some teams be over 100 crowns and Atletico now over number. And the teams may be the BH. Young fans. And when you see, say, our players now, the ultimate be bought, minutes Nico and any team crowd the team Papa and Gitumwa, Kojasan. And this is a Kobasa Kojasan one pride. Maybe be an that's why my mamma justifies the Kojasan when you went in the mamma Namu. Now, starting, if you be what team you were China. And what team the crowd Europe national team no every hour 16 minutes 20 minutes maybe the Ghanaians they will caution you but the Nippon will cry for so many bob in a problem but everybody will be quiet. I'm only Ghana and I'm catching a Ghana for bit my lesson at war. Say coach in the bar a bear couldn't be a man. Daniel couldn't be a Ghana for Casa baby.
I know for that's very and what they need about Ghana Benny game. No crack Benny game, what can we do? But Nima Ben Pana, whom say it was a big mistake of myself here.
Any changes? And I players, no. One here, Christian Chu, were a fantastic player in football. But sometimes, some is why rest here, you kick the person out. Forget Savior. When we gave this one, yeah. And from a board from a papa mount. And you kick the person out. Now did you bet me up and not you are replacing you. So let us happy planning changes no yeah. Everybody was saying says some who's buy no. Yeah, buy enough first can you know when you say oh no what's about you. Let Christian you rest what you are saying. No that
boy was small on the pitch on the new swag.
It's not a matter of small. Yakwaji I bet the people no one feel say one mobi. And just morning I go. The enemy can zeal. You can farmers. Look at the John Boy by what disappointing who coach you. But John Boy no and Sessa John Boy Clamar Bobby. John Boy na can crowd Nico Gino team. I Ghana for John Boy playing a red card because they don't need John Boy. When John Boy was kissing our money now, no who Ghana for. I'm not knowing about John Boy so. Over
everybody so now for to ready so Ghana Cameroon game now for 1 year Grammy Pana. You run Ghana game. Ghana second game. We have a former player for the senior national team, the Black Stars of Ghana, Coach Frimpong Manson. Coach, and I don't buy you more about NGT.
Yeah, me Johnson.
Coach, you hear about here.
Namia Dumboko.
You say who so to tell Kwanza Warriors players Kakaka. Coach, to me,
me toga.
And Kwanza Boko, the players will be at
Oh, Namia Dumbia Boko. What me Kumasi say?
And that's what breaking on. Okay. Coach, you proud to the AFCON 2019. Emma Utu, Quesia Biafo, HSA. The players now they can GD will say among the bit me a year, and so Eddie Amano. Coach Ghana boy a first game against Benin. Sitting at the back in a former player, all tournament only said he sit here about national team Nibida. Who access game on first game now, saying and I'll be catching Ghana for.
Hello.
Coach Tinga.
Line here, friend, Kakrama.
Being a former player, about national team Nibida, wouldn't be said here. the morale, everything in Kambesi here. Your first game, your boy 2-2. Ghanaians are crying and say, "One, now what's here winning any day." Being a coach and a former player, how do you assess the first game? Because see, up here the Black Stars, a boy.
Oh, okay. In fact, now me Katana that bad at all.
Okay.
Because Osha game no for good start. Yeah, first 10 minutes. Yeah. 20 sector. You so also Benin rather Benin Mumnana expressing. So now it's very difficult for us. So no one is conceding in the second minute. But what the name I said a boy after the goal. I said I'm panicking. So you calm down, and then after that, you could see that you're buying to the game, and then we're playing well. You move on, and then you're saying, "Yeah, are they a leader?" So at the point, the BBI was going well for us until that red card. You couldn't, and I'm saying, yeah, disorganized. So a friend saying, "It won't be equalized." You were even like you said, Educayan conceded the third goal. So circumstances game no ending that draw no. The Becca said a bad result because opposition was playing very well and tactically were very good, organized, and then 54th minute when a red card. Draw. I can say satisfied with the results. All those the maximum 3 points, but not situation demanded and allow that.
So, coach, can we say tactically, we said just the Benin coach, was on top of his game. Coach, on top of his game than Kwesi Appiah.
No. Yes, at that point, one only get down. Or you're down by a month.
Yeah.
And Benin team, I'm saying it's a strong side.
Okay.
And such a team, let's hold the 10, a boy against 11 for about 30 minutes or so. And a very difficult task. Oh, okay. So I don't know at that point tonight, there's all the results not by, and I think they're not a good. It's very good say because you at the point I 11 and then a 10 minutes, you could see the time in a record. We were on top. At some point, not balance there, but most of that period, now we were playing better than at the Benin.
Coach, what will be paying? Tiana me say more about national team be paying or biggest state like this. Nearly any muji come now much Ghana for any mamu ye pa. The problem is when Ghana a man down. So who your coach out what's the bench? How they a defensive midfielder and but meanwhile now over experienced players like Koyba Samuel Jan on the bench.
Hello.
Your coach.
Okay.
At time Ghana now we are man down no. Now who experienced players be said Koyba Samuel Jan at the bench not Ghanaians the rest of those players in the about more experience than said a typical number 6 DM and I say defensive midfielder with 3 up back so who is saying
and that of the group of it's not about experience. When you are even a man down, you need players that make us more energy. I get more tackling than even attacking. Will be a bit maybe friendly at the same time. The matter say who break here, will be to me.
Okay.
So I don't know about any friend say experience. Experience, no time, no.
Okay.
But the point now, move on. They were forced to change in the setup. Friend say Japan. I don't know if I'm not disrupt to program. They are so JB say be a member Samuabem and after member Kojo Samuabem. I didn't so yes, you can change the buy and at the point rather than would be trying more than attacking. So near players always make defending more than would be on attacking at the minded.
Okay, coach.
So for me,
yeah, boy against Cameroon, you far a very game. What young say Ghanaians should forget about that game, that draw be. That game no approach I call being a coach and any former player. What approach do you want Coach Kwesi Appiah should go in that game against Cameroon?
Yeah, Benin, sorry, Cameroon, a very strong side, only a very experienced. We all know that, and already over 3 points, and so such it's a win against us. So such a team, so you go with the mindset. You can't have to open up till the 90th minute. No. The same way, as much as you want to win, you need to also be very cautious. So you need players that also can almost 2 phases. Obey me defending, obey me attacking. And not only such players now, and not a board of rebellion. And not maybe as an experienced player, as a more player. For instance, if the other game, you call one attacker with a supporting midfield. And we must maybe decided to with 2 because we need to score. So I understand maybe a Jordan and then maybe as a Samoa. And no, a Samoa in case we have to have chance square the opportunity take it. So you need that place. So at the point that we open draw a Samoan and then maybe another midfielder at the back. So we need to also plan the middle. Middle, no, say, 4, into me, 4, and then at that point, say, in case of counter, the middle, also, you're very choked. So, as I say, in your place, or more that energy, in midfield, more. So, into me, and conceding. We don't need to concede.
So, Coach, you know the players are in the midfield, and Kauna would you know where they have missed out, Kawai Muna Opesenka, and then Ghana continue in midfield game against Cameroon.
I don't know very, very difficult from the BM away because I don't know daily they are training daily. Near me change your training. So I don't know they don't walk grounds no. And I'm sure say the right idea on which me I'm making a deal. And sometimes when you play no class a very good saying that not general ones it's not say no as the you say no crowd for so be a muscle. You party very influential in the team, but he needs to do more. Oh no, it's me a boy. Friend saying this time round if you are some more between back in or the from the left side and I say, but could you my room? She said, the last time I could just some more metro there saying, I all you don't understand or not find metro that can. But no, I find number 3 for bare 5 seasons. I don't know my room. So come the local I want to perform more like what he was doing when I was starting in the career. I very new idea the man of central midfield says go just one more. Obo Honor check. A good player he can play, but the Honor drink even for the last 5 years about 3 but then no, I think that we will need him and then the day and then maybe Wakasu or a good tackler, but foul so can help us because when we come around, you're physical, so we need players that also make battle in the middle, no, with their physical and their ability, not only the technical aspect.
Coach, and I'm going to say, what my Ghana for with this education said, there's hope for the Black Stars. I mean, so remember that was people say, "What do you need to get in come on?" Now, you ever said it?
Oh, I mean, I don't have a very short every time.
Okay. Coach, we last week we saw the getting come.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, Coach Frimpong Manso, former player for the senior national team, the Black Stars of Ghana, and current coach for Warriors, Marina Akasa. So Frimpong,
yeah, serious
last time.
Yeah.
Very strong.
Oh yes, very, very strong. Protocol and Black Stars meaning or you kill our Akasa. I know that also what let's say, but coaches in the Baby, I know most of whom you coach from Pom, and also what you don't say, by any problem because of so on so you coach. Ntia na man say you na on person be can send you bia. Be kwa kwati esi ni coach. Fantastic. Submission of their mind is okay. But yet it's not say omunya adi o. Am former na make am wasem no. Anu bi no work am. So omu teams ni mu a. Se omu nye bia na omu ye. Eti se omu ba blasters ya omu ye. Omu teams ni mu a. You see it say omu yam nyina na di ye adwuma. What you say? Player like John Boy, you have no chance. And so the man walk away. Once or disappointing Ghana for disappointing the coach, and disappoint on one. Once and I make an John Boy cry and says, obey to me. John Boy says, obey to me. Because when you're a dear man, it's enough. Obi so we tira woman even 2 seconds here, would be crashing your John Boy.
But I will come John Boy saying. Due respect, don't buy mistakes. Say you're looking at. I said, and one of my canon, it means I thought so, or your penalty, or say on goal. I mean, there's a player here, your friend Isame. Very fantastic player. Or your mistake back home or AFCON. SS Samir 2006. Obekai. Yes, Zimbabwe from young qualified. And no, I don't know, any account free. But he was very, very good. John Boy, what on goal. We are penalties. We get red card. Uko kisi sika ya di ama try ya mpo. But you are still playing. Any kasa. Kaja si amani 2 minutes. Ya ni abro Ghana. Esther Abankwa akudi ehema. Ne hema no apiemu e wo Egypt. Esther, what you can face Maria Bontu so a. Bibia boko there.
I'm talking Bibia boko na Eliano na mo so
yet a community. Una walk who do the bank, boy, and come on, Kakana, again, said here, home community, kind of 4%.
So, cinema, and show now to and now, when understand the Egyptian mountains in 2019 African Cup of Nations and airport on the Black Stars of Ghana and autonomy first match the country mountain and then the do of Ghana and the for the Black Stars of Ghana because I was saying piano, even the crowd is now is finalizing that game again in crowd, but also then done only areas Somalia in potential hard. Yeah, the local say and all of the year is sunset. But the minister of the now support now that the new Ghana is their kind of to for the Black Stars who they are not all from Kaka. Now, no.
Yes, I don't about you.
Now, it's not too much of the Black Stars of Ghana, anything here can not ever come to the local say, and then I'm my kids. And another place of support is a year's Maria in one to her, and that's a bit more over.
Oh, no. Morocco and Position Caribbean from Jova SRS Abana.
Yeah, and make a player like John Boy. Oh, and says obey it in the Caribbean. And then I make us say, Ghana for the Omukasa. Young friend, yeah, and says you're friend. Until no main team no crowd. Or who team no one trip. Ghana for the princess team no move. If people are crying, my cat or no champion Ghana for every market only because one way. Me, I'm afraid of you. Oh, there are so many players over there. And yeah, I mean, person in 2 players who say, set ye pro class about yes, our my humana. Oguni and Nidia be no man so diamao because Obi equally good like you by Amfreno. And it's only that chance now, also you are coming, not ye be more mine. When President was advising them, more catch on same penny for the other same call. I'm much you would do. Yeah, Umaba be a legend. And to me, catch them say, Muslim, no mamma Trimudi or Selbook, and cry at the Asumboke. na Ghana hanom ne ya na emu ya legends na ye mu wo mu enka won se rebe no se Kofi mo ba eni Kofi opare nom ne mfum no mo ba mfum the first who made some record na da ho ya ko Europe a enka ne record ye kata so obo shot titi net e ma refi no ko verify mu se ball no bra ho enso on se sa history ni na ya kata so kan so mo ba no se tu because omu di am fama eye ma o man no satam kan iskemi no am fama ni sha on se di ti America so reverend se Kofi no time na na sika sem ni mo odo ni emu sika ba na nti se ne yo mutimi chaade ese sika na ma aye mo nti na de se di sika na man no man ni sa ta ochi o so do ho odi nyina de thank you afenso ensese ye di kwa kwesi apia nko aso nipa okọ scout Benin for no on se fa scout for be semiensa
yes
ama thank you
Masudi Damani
ana
David
Duncan
yes
enti when ene ko scout Benin for
for my checks ever pass
then one more coach no so when the problems come now me fan sha kwesi apia nko a because I don't be break coaches be break what
you say every game over you say the Benin side no go right back not there's a loose link there like you bet me up but your players na two was there watching one no tough
and yeah na was say yeah on say it's not only Kwesi Appiah Nkwah na beka say two free even the was some coach now to one clan who crowd so we ball ni see the coach himself no one is pa aguna sum
mama Ghana for emrem we are not telling the Kwesi Appiah also here na itimi share and I said ebebo okay now quick messages are Ghana for area bar and I don't buy on the tape you were used to say and so Kwesi Appiah is to be blamed for Ghana lose cost all the 22 players on the pitch. No one was better than Kodwa Samoa. So why put him on bench for from Village Fusua of Akim Manso and Ode Ebaye? I say I'm a man from New Trouble. I'm supporting what the man is saying. Okay, concerning about me offer Eddie and walking. I say good morning. My name is Abdul Jalil from Boko. Today Ghana will win by 2 goals to 0. Media on also Eddie Ebaye. I say I'm Tulu from Atonsu Agugu. At the age of the end of the first one, the competition team Ghana is the only team that shows no seriousness for the title. The coach that can not come out with a tactics in time of difficulties. Is that too a coach? Ghana can't win without our goal machine as a imagine Operation Kwesi Appiah must be sacked, whether it wins the tournament or not. Thank you very much. So today, we pray for the best for our team Black Stars. Up by Emmanuel Abalu at Israel and Aponusu Edebayo. So from Joe at Bremen Esian, what color are we using today? Red or white? When the team use red, then another draw for us again. So from match pretty much, you know what we are hearing, and say Ghana version white JC, and then that is water. Good morning. I'm Tornado from Kato. Ghana will win by 2 goals to 1. I know the other Banofi. If Kwesi Appiah is not going to use Joe Asamoah, we will not qualify for the group stage. See Bishop inside Doma Grasso. Ghana against Cameroon is what time? Please 5 p.m. and again no year bono. Hello, you guys are 2 months. Ghana will win by 2 goals to 0. Actually inside Akona Nkum and on the Ebaye. I say hi, I'm White from Adieso. I don't think Ghana can make it today. We should come home so we can save our money. Ghana is gonna win by 2 goals to 1 today. Black Stars all the way from Brad Genius inside Asante Mampo. And Brad Genius and then Ghana is winning by 3 goals to 1 from Legend Saint Nani inside Daniel said greetings to me supporting family. I said hello, good morning. Please, I would like to know why Zaha start from bench with all his qualities and form. I think he has a problem with the coach. Maybe. Okay, with Zaha, there is another problem. I think that coach also feels he have the qualities or the really play or no tactics.
Yeah.
That is it. And then coach in the bit me a year. Kwame Adomako at Ashtown. Good morning, boss. The Black Stars will surely beat Cameroon. God bless our homeland. I say, good morning, please. I want to ask you the year Cameroon scored Ghana for the semi-final, and I want to ask if Bassa, who is really want Neymar, who want Bassa now, Gabi from Bassa, Cameroon say 2008.
Yeah. We can't answer many Bassa. Or coming here, Bassa.
Good morning, King. Okay, King. Jonathan Mensah, the day and Thomas, but please, if you can get someone in Egypt to tell your correspondent to tell the coach to wear yellow shirt with the Black Stars tie to win the game easily. Okay, from Prof Prince and our body way. I'll say match, first match draw. Second match, draw. Third match, win. Then Ghana qualified to the knockout. This is Parkwesi from Kaswa Ajikum. Okay, and Ajikum, Kaswa Ajikum, but then and so by so far, you room now, and Tiena, and I was 1 year against Indomitable Lions of Cameroon. Maybe 2 or 3 team reasons we are, because I was 1 year. Your work can be doing, but man, some key points here. You can proceed here, everything up.
Yo, I'm saying the late Coach Afrani. No Bobo be our CFN and no boy. And no boy, I see. One I am he said, we defender, and I will not be no. We will have one.
You ran through
zero because Cameroon for no by physical. I am modern. One bubble. And in this case, if our appreciate, come up more, yes, strong, football. And Spanish ones, you will book the football. No paladin more in 3 We are like I could just somebody more on trust with the so I have fit to cry now, more try because for many yes, yeah, what never. I had to send you a coach, air catcher, woman bet my running 90 minutes. Woman bet me a running 90 minutes. Run a America and a kick out. Because one, Cameroon for no movie didn't have on it. Omu ultimately over 3 points. Or is a seed of Minimia Patrick Claver. At me, and 3 points there to bed. But Madu says that 2 dance now, Omu coaching Cameroon. Woman team in football, a winning. Yes. Yeah. Some in Amsterdam. I know these people. And woman, I didn't know Giban. And in African, you know, work with Siapian who are ahead than them.
Yes.
And Afcon, we must sustain because work with Afcon. And in this case, you know, I could see parading 10 minutes runner people. Yeah, and 4 runner people. No parody woman from goalkeeper to the Okoshe goal. The original Kakrabia on tackle ball. Why may I show a red card? No. I guess I referee now show you. Born I ever born, or no, yes, show a red card. And to be running 90 minutes. So I could see appear to me paradise uncle for no be able to running 90 minutes. I bet you. You have a ball no cuckoo. Players in almost cycle woman. Woman say, when the last match I able, yeah, just say the back because I'll see it me, me secure 3 points and only being 4. Obvious, woman, me draw and says, you could Cameroon draw cry. Near question will be a weird man. But then I do a near to say, wait, my question. The only name Bonano and also Ocean. The only name Bonano Ocean we are, and son walk on the den. So go by names to say them big Kayana. One shall the 3rd match now needs a guinea babono, 100 show. And you have to face them. And this is slow. Cameroon no records, no say, Omuboy. And Yenny sad and free adjun. You said, Nay, so see a die and so see a bad day, ever bow. Because see up here, any bench being in Ano. Won't I be standing up here, Munamo, what Bobby the Wakating Timono, who are right say and starting match now. You can able to enter inside, say, would you now we are captain, no? Nazil now, and add year, Mano. Would you be and rant here? when it comes to the field in India, no jam Akosiapia or Ibrahim Tanko. See it make Casanema winning in our Bomoa. I bet you some much when I yam Siciano, a baba at the Papa Bia day, am I? Makosiapia, and you may be a Chamosia. And the so called prophet, one more Ghana, one who by my Muda Bagana and Sano, if we are a class, and come send it door soon. In those days in our football, then come send Musa. I am on friend Reverend Oseko film more Bobby attend Musa said Reverend. And in those days, no Namuko boy, and then come send a woman, sir. Bola Echo boy, assume will be Bobby and no Babu. Uma will Bobby and saying, Uma, so be creature, I try to Akosiapia and Koshe. One son Koshe yellow, Masako Casa Esum. None will question at them saying that Rabbi Ghana. And come send a woman and come and come send doesn't play football. Yes, Christo Bar on the share for no, say as when a new team. A share for no minute 12. Yes, we come and yet 13. 11 bars, and yes, you need Peter Bet my reserve. Or Kobo match. Mimsel. Yes, about team. No, would you have been or Kobo match? I saw from yes, a moon fearful. Our real woman too awful. And before we are near Mom too awful. No ball, maybe a moon free moon coming. Who did I? And did I example say yes about one at team? Until I didn't even remember Jim Haho. Palestinian for Israel for Kobama.
Yamfa lines, so not gonna form some show, my kaka, and far
no, still says that I'm not one.
So, no, what my young
but I am a big
two when I'm one let's not forget Sochina, NCT, two so fana air basso, Ashko. And they this is Markotoko and Nakomonso everything and they are so Kepo Sports Stadium grand finale game out so water green very represent Ghana and so Kofi Nation Cup Kotoko and also anybody our central mosque Kumasi Kosumi only come for the woman Kosunafi and I don't know so team no Unity House and so on and after 2019, there were 2 goals and the man top scorers. My brand and Michael Potti, very player. One and boy, come, Eddie Emma on Miami team, and so Eddie Benny, Michael Potti. One of them 2 goals nothing. Mike Abranton, Michael Lunga, and so Kenya, and so 2 goals nothing. Emmanuel Okui. Oh, Uganda, and also 2 goals after 43 matches. No, Sa and Musem AC at here, L1 Yafa Ghana for and so I drink Kaka said here. AC at the 10 messages Kaka. I say any TV, you are doing all the work, keep it up. For me, I don't really blame Kwesi up here because it's our players that got old. They don't have enough stamina anymore. So I will lead with Kwesi up here. Based with the young ones and forget about these old age catch players. I'm from Woti region, Passa, Zion, and Abadene, and so Eddie Epa, and it's Eternal over. I never quite was it, yet, and say, your team name could die. Tactical, what's happy and now press conference. You could be saying, say, would you say, Omu ebetimi at the tournament let's see na o Peter ebetimi aide asho and go be say team no one seman kasa na so one wo be the team no say the way that actually no bi obebe na Ghana ni bi o team e bia hu say the team na ya ebetimi e ya koye na Ghana for say kasi ya kasi ya ja for no it is 7 years in team ni yeah, build team no yet me that the team can once and they are building not check.
Baby, I want or Sabel the team.
Because I
know the phone. I bet my phone. The team you are building. Excuse me. Sample Castle of the team media. No, Sabi, your quantity crock ones. Oh, dear, no. What could do tournament? Ball. Mr. Oka said, oh, build the team now. I could see, oh, I'm going to do what? One we are now, what are the Kakano? Yeah, Miss Moon can be. Who will the team this baby? Baby and Pempen, so will be the team baby. Oh, by me, the enemy who said, want to say no. I team ya build them.
Nim say ye be magana phone so aba show so na wo ebe o ma bin share there about son of fan because on of a case because you appear the Ghana for in favor part see fact na I was say
yes, it's true. Favor dem ma ko si appear esu now the old parliament wade broni bia ba na check ni sika o gine so ye ne pama brof no baya na me no mu ya adwen. As I'm talking to you now, no. So we are president. So man, one a GP kesi pa no ka president here. Also with you. You are GP kesi pa wo man we are kesi here. The whole yes. You are GP kesi pa wo man we are kesi here. $35,000. Okay, I'm fancy Nana do video. Fashion Nana do video mchesi here. $35,000. Ni ni mu for. Titi masika na yesa. That is a billion. 1.7 billion. 1.7 billion. 1.7 billion in Ghana here.
1.75
Massa. So on baby econ. And Ghana for any other idea change to see the blasters crowd if about 1 year. What about in Ghana here? What crop and a waba. Short as here. Who will be a cheap, Yadima. And wako and wabani and dating them will be a come was them. Sa qualifies in Kwame should base 56 players. Now you are still telling us that believe him. I never done it. Sakosia please so believe him. A dining design yampe. And wakofa paint boniegu. But me catch and say, go on come here so believe him. What there be materials near the man on the cement near the man ni paint no. On fancy there in so. Near trend and blasters.
It's like to say, Kojo Asama will start the game and then,
of course,
and there you now, and the home fan because now or injured. So, but and when you training over here, they're making there you could training. So it's up to the medical team to pass in fit.
Skinny, skinny. Yeah, me catch the doctors and so me very careful. Players, a binum, bro. On se place no crana or better or the plan of baby Jim phone and a match way. Any player be obey no phone back up piano, why? It is said that the home torn at the home torn. Honestly speaking, Sekoja someone with a bench. I'm a momo boy. Let's on to sit down, let somebody play. You can't bet man we need a bono. Sit down, you for one we are strong, 100% fit. And yes, you say, no farmer born in my age. Maybe said that they won't on his heart. Training the assembly, obey by sending on Tracy. Now, one more bet me upon 90 good minutes, no skinny, no more born in my age. And no bad way.
Over the main channel, which before you being posted from your correspondent from Ismail,
yeah,
your extra Bangkok, and Oscar Ponta, and Branton in Azima, and so 4 solid personas and represent AB and L. From the checks, Rachel Fori. And Yado, Jonathan Mensah, then Obebo Kasim,
okay.
Yes. On Central.
Yeah. So, yeah.
A free aqua.
Yeah.
Thomas Pate, Kojo Asamoah, over Kojo Asamoah,
Miss Maria,
about Jordan are you? No, about Christian.
Maria.
Samuel from the checks, that is the lineup because Thomas Japan is out from the game.
Yeah.
Over if I got a fighting check, sorry, we are the apostle and bro said in the city. By a child of figure international pay for the one some Eddie Abdul and then pay for them and it was shoes. So I say Ghanaians are talking about the goalkeeper. He lacks serious timing and should be well spoken to. For me, I also think John Boy should be out of the team because he is refusing to grow. It's 2-1 against him.
Thank you.
Okay.
Team now boy. Skinny. Be our ball, be a conversation. Skinny. From now going on, to be a penny. No, be out there. Never to who you are. Yeah, I'm paying to be a boy. A team now was Ghana has no future. Common Afcon, no TV station can show live matches and we are serious
Are we serious? Inshallah. Ghana will win by 1-0. I said, hello, good morning, please. Where is Kwadwo Asamoah and our Superman Asamoah? We are serious. We seriously need them. Can come Tabiru, Daniel, Tomahinko, and Ode Elba. So the lady I can say Kwadwo Asamoah and now also you pre-matter. Yeah, the players no na.
And I kokasa the entire the day mobile. Kwadwo Asamoah and the deputy captain. Nti mi hu say Kwadwo Asamoah ti wa okasa no. Me say captain e mo atotima. Nti na ono wa no. Yeah, go by. Nti e Kwadwo na ebo captain ban. It's a win-win for Ghana.
Okay. Nti enra so Kwadwo Asamoah ka say Black Star. Omo team nipa 23 no bi atimi bobo bi.
Okasa yi.
Yes.
Okasa yi ba kasa na oka no. O de okasa tere Ghana for na dwunu pa deep no. Enya no na nkonya obeka. Ko beto bomb kra.
Ena osan kire mu so ye player na say wo adwin boni bi wo team no one sisa wadwin what I say na you akoma mu na popo no fama o man no and osan can revenge against Cameroon also there be omo nya revenge no. They are going to do their best against the indomitable Lions of Cameroon. I know so I say big ups and sports. Good morning, you guys are wow, keep on the good work. This is sports means inside Sunyani University of Energy and Natural Resources. Okay. Sir, any messages no of I do.
Yeah.
Mama was remember going to Faka was and
Smaba me da coach as ne e dia o dia be. Why adie? Why am akoma so ade ama me squad ni manager ho. Na me nya ka player ba ko bi nka masisan. Ba me hwe ne be say 35 minutes going that say na sie hia ba be kan was. Na Ghana fo nyina no aha. Ana wose obi adni gidie ne ade ejina. Won fa rehemu na afa yesra mo ma flag ni nsu okrom. Ese nyane ho me ba na krom ye do dia be twam na twam awie ye nyane ho no na afa mo be no nu no na afa ni ye hwe gi besie na ye win for Ghana e ne krom be de na me de be se mi besie na me na nipa bi ase Dr. Junior Yeboa o gomura ayi ogwaku Lucky Heba Dr. Penino papa me danasi na me do bibi o ya mama yeah Lucky papa no wo gomura ogwaku na mi wura mi fie bia na ne mi ko mi se mi fie from papa by day e fa ho because cruise should be waiting me am my first daughter me ba penny the friend ma me nyako me ne to me ma ono susu na nse okukura mi and still ala mercy won susu me da sepa o modi mu a wo bo bibia ba bia ana me ami ni okuma chas and me bro no su nyina me tia obia me tia kra Nanka
oh sorry tenti and now every ye juma de no e April and TV premises say TV games be koso ye be bobo games no kakansa na 5 PM the game na ngasara ye etimi aba na ya Ghana na Cameroon game no etimi akoso me offer that so far me more piafo
o so ya bi
am say the ma esi from Kwame Owusu afie Ghana for you asking Oko control one ma na chese before ku da mo Mr. Franklin Tiama na fe yo Samson and see also around telling and so the Richard Elton IT and beauty abaya apostle him did have a call there I don't know let me say one tias here I say I don't think far I say I don't think far